This is our YouTube. So look, well, these are 90,000 followers.
Let me ask you this, because I don't have the same liberty to put on TV what you guys can put on vacation.
Run me up or I'm going back to the car.
Just in the very simple options that shows what people see when they go down. Yeah, but I just there cannot be any nudity and there cannot be any.
Really? What's happening? What you mean? Gang members.
And then here's my other question: who shot this material? Either like you shot it, so we have permission to use it. I'm still rolling, so just be
I'm still rolling. Chicken wing, thank you.
This is our one election. We did a lot of videos.
So this is how much of the content is this versus the content that your police here?
I mean, the content that we do, this is what the trolls take the money to pick up. So this is
Can you show me something that won't offend your auntie? Take me as auntie and show me what.
I'll show you this.
What is the young lady?
You know, like first YouTube is somebody that every time you try to do something, there's a YouTube page called The T. They take everything that we do.
The T, y'all, the YouTube page called The T.
So they see if that happens. And the way that they verbalize things is because he's already gets verbally loves, and this is part of our skits. So that they think that, and this is why
Malia gets slapped. Malia. Okay. So all of this is
No, they actors. They actors. Yeah, they actors.
So Malia is a character. Yeah. Forgive me, y'all. I'm old and I'm trying to figure this out and get this right. Okay. Okay. All right. So can we have your permission then to pull up? Do me a favor. I need to screenshot that. And then I need your permission to be able to go and open up YouTube and shoot.
Right, because the YouTube, this channel, I don't record it. This is stuff that's live, that my chief is live. He's on the camera, that we're live. But the content on the YouTube, the classes that I record live.
So let me ask you, you have a laptop in there where you can show it to us?
Yeah, y'all see what it is. We reporting live.
Show you what?
Free the day we just left the jail. Hey, what channel, what station is this?
Fox 5.
Fox 5? Okay, shout out my boy from Fox 5.
Okay, so we'll
And it's
put it
Sanders.
here as opposed to trying to figure it out on the phone because I don't want to grab the wrong content. Okay?
Exotic, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody showing love. Y'all show love.
You get a picture?
Yeah, just kind of like what you did earlier. Is it'll be fast.
Okay.
I'll just all together.
And it doesn't have to be staged and candid. It can just be sort of you candidly. That's what you do.
Yeah. Your statues.
Which statue? That ain't the shit you want to say.
Is that a reference to the Eye of Haru or
The Eye of Ra.
Eye of horse.
Eye of Horse?
Horse.
She a horse built like one, goddamn.
And somebody's not explaining to her.
Don't forget me. I fucking hate Charlie, man. I had to back up y'all so he don't make me out with no smoke. Hey, wait.
My damn iPad. Well, overheated.
They was waiting for you for the tea. They go to go, y'all.
What's good, y'all?
Had
We
to do
here,
that
we
bitch
up
low
on
last
team.
night.
Oh, you saw that shit.
3.
All right, y'all, I'm back.
They need their feet done. They don't go get manis and patties.
Has anybody had any contact with your baby?
That's the little 3. That's an Angel baby.
Yeah, I have a contact number for somebody so I can see it.
They number 333333333.
We tried to talk to him, like, was they real?
Oh no, I thought you was gonna get that one. Yeah, you got it. Before they go in, they was just about to go in the house. Telling you the big old news. I didn't talk to him on the phone though. Yeah, I just left the jail. They got some niggas I ain't never seen on the camera before. Oh, auntie, you know that auntie. Them bitches be looking back like they want to say something smart. Cause I'll be.
It's Malia. She the one that don't care. I'm gonna try to talk to her. I feel like
She don't want to go get a little flavor.
yeah, she's gonna give me some spiciness.
Right. Go closer. You can go close. Get the angle where the bitch at.
I mean, it keep overheating.
Yeah, it's hot as hell out
Yeah,
here.
it say temperature. Also, bro, this shit blowing.
Oh my God. Charlie on the scene, y'all. He can't get it together though. He gotta get it together.
My phone overheating.
I record you from right here. Oh yeah, 3s. We fuck with the 3s. Free the 3s. I fucks with it. He one of the biggest bloggers on Big O. You know, he go do good for the folks. The people go respect what Charlie got going on, man. Yeah. Yeah, Charlie's and yeah. I had a spouse for Charlie, y'all. I'm Farragomo, brother. Yeah, I'm the one just left the jail with Solar and them boys. Yeah, for shit show. Nah, for real. Huh? Yeah. It's 4.5 people, 1,000 people on here.
We out here. Free three.
Yeah, free to 3, man. Y'all know what the fuck going, man.
Black man is God.
Channel 5 just came and got their side of the story. They wasn't being funny, faced it. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, 2 popped up too? Yeah.
Yeah, they had interviews.
Nah, for shit, show.
Right when they had put Y'all be easy.
Nah, for sure, man. 3. Nah, for shit, show. They taught me to join at the gym. I don't remember it, though. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, okay. Boom. Okay, let's get it. I'm fucking with it. Nah, for sure. Charlie, they dubbed you. Why they dubbed you? Malia ran and now she turned around like she was Beyonce and Destiny's Child. Like she got security and shit. Yeah, like, you ain't.
And then she let the man answer. I knew that was gonna happen.
Oh yeah, they can't. I seen a little light skinned nigga watching from the jump street.
They ran up on her.
Oh man, that was the 3, y'all. We at the 3
She
lane.
was here shit to get the footage.
We on it. You go post it?
Shit, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on YT.
What you gonna do about Lo? I'm about to tell Lo, let's meet up so y'all can bump right now.
Come on now, look at the footage.
Yeah. Y'all might as well shoot the fade. Nah, for real. You be easy, Charlie. All right. Yeah. I got the tea. I got the motherfucking tea. I don't know. I got the tea, though, y'all. I did the tea. I had the biggest tea. Come on, y'all. I need 4 shields to bust the motherfucking what a name. We about to go meet up with what's her name right now.
They want you to go to the door.
They want me to come in, don't they? I ain't.
You should have pushed it.
Nah, when Charlie came, they ain't want me to fuck with Charlie. They like, hell nah. Yeah, got me with the tea. I got the motherfucking tea. They got the nice neighborhood now, y'all. Oh, let me not show they little street. Oh, so y'all heard it live. They be acting. They known actors. Malia never got smacked in real life. They actors. They is with the nudity. I don't know where Lo at. Lo should have pulled up and popped outside. Like, yeah, let's shoot this shit then. Y'all should have told Lo, come Charlie there, pull up and get your fade in.